So in here in this hallway, right here we have a Home Depot Hampton Hawkins. The brown blade side. We're both brown, but this is more brown. There's the light. So I got two light switch, one for the fan, one for the light. Okay, it's pretty low, I guess. I fixed the chain so it's easier to pull it, so now I can just easily. There's also a Hampton Hawkins in here. It can only be put on high speed though. That bedroom. It's more medium. Like all tied around. It's actually kind of pretty fast on medium. Makes clicking noises like my Cabrillo Cove. I am soon going to make a video of me taking a blade off the Cabrillo Cove because I took a blade off of it. It was actually really wobbly. This is a Hugger ceiling fan, Hampton Hawkins Hugger. See, if this one goes to the light. Yeah, it goes to the light. There goes the fan. Hums. It hums. Yeah, that's this fan. Leave it on high. Goodbye.